So we are using some card boxes here, and on top of that we are putting the topsoil or the garden soil, and we're just adding some additional dry leaves or other manure that you want to add along with the topsoil. Then we need to flatten the soil, and just make sure to add some rooting agent or some plant food before you actually put the plants into the soil. So let's see how our gardening project goes. And that's me planting a cucumber plant.